Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Trey the DIY Ninja, and oh my god, shout out to Haley Lowry who left a comment on my last video letting me know that I switched the inks on my EPSON ECOTANK. Okay, so I was like, what? How is that possible? But I double checked and yes, I did. I'm such an idiot, but yeah, that's what happens when you're rushing and you're colorblind. And yep, I switched the inks. Because I was like, what? She's like, yeah, I think you switched the inks in your tanks. And I was like, how is that possible? But it's possible because it's me. So yeah. So I switched the blue, and I meant the cyan and the magenta. This is supposed to be magenta, and this is supposed to be cyan. But you know what's funny? I haven't noticed any difference in my printouts. But that's because I'm colorblind. So what we're gonna do is actually test it out to see what it looks like. So here I'm in Microsoft Paint 3D, and I just made a really simple red star, blue star, and a pink star, and I labeled them so I know what color they're supposed to be. So let's see if the the red star prints out blue and the blue star prints out red, and what color the pink star will print out. So yeah, let me just load some paper in my printer and then we'll see what this looks like. So I just put a piece of scrap, well I think this one's new actually, copy paper in here, and let's see what this says. Just press continue. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to my computer and press print. Print. And let's just see what that looks like. Okay, so it's gonna be like this. Should I put more colors on here? Maybe. You know what? Let me add more colors. Actually, I don't think it matters because all the other colors are right. It's just the cyan and the magenta that's messed up, so. Alright, we're just gonna print it as it is so we don't waste too much ink. But yeah, there we go. Let's print it. Go back to my printer here. It always stops usually to say that the paper setting and the paper don't match. So I'm gonna press OK. Alright, man. I can't believe I did that. And you know what? I don't think there's a way to fix it either. Like, I would have to drain all the inks, which I'm not going to do because that's such a waste. Alright, here we go. Yep, they're switched alright. So red is now blue, and blue is now pink. That looks pink. That doesn't even look red. I guess that's... And pink looks blue? Okay, so here, let me just... Here's what they look like on the computer. Here's what they look like person. Pink looks purple. Right, though this is not really like a bright pink either. It's kind of like a purpley pink. Oh well, I don't know what to do. If you guys have any solutions on how to fix what to do if you mix up your colors, oh my god, oh well. Let me know in the comment box down below. Anyways, don't do this. Don't make the same mistake I did. Be extra careful when you're doing your colors. I mean, I'm pretty sure this is just a me problem because I can't see colors very well. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I guess in the future when I do my graphics, I'll just have to be very mindful to switch the red to a blue so that it prints out red. Yep. Okay. You know what? Let me try that now. I'll make the red blue, and I'll make the blue red, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take my paint bucket, go into, what color is this? Indigo. Again, that's purple. This is turquoise. We'll just do turquoise, and I'll change this red star to turquoise, and I will change this blue star to blue, to red. And how would I get pink? I think the pink was fine. I think I'll make it like, because it's blue. Make it more bluey. I'll make it to light blue. What colors does this say? Aqua. Okay. So I'll make it aqua and see if it comes out pink. Okay. Now let's try to print this and see what it looks like. Oh man, thank you so much for pointing this out to me. I would never have noticed. And you know what? I've made like a couple shirts and stuff already and I still don't notice, but maybe it's because I've been doing mostly like black and gray tones and not very much color. But I did print out like a flower bouquet thingy for my mom and that turned out okay. I don't know why. Maybe I was wondering why the colors weren't as bright, but this could be the reason. Okay, let's print. Take a look. It's gonna make me press the OK button every time. Right? Alright, so I'm just reusing the same paper. I just flipped it on the bottom. Okay, there we go. Did it even print? This looks like the same. I don't think it even printed. How is that possible? What happened? Okay. Oh, unless it printed on top. Did I print it on top? Man. Okay. Let's try that again. Okay, this time I guess it printed. Put the paper in wrong. I'm just a hot mess. Okay, let's try it that way and print it. Now I'm gonna go back to here. Where's print? Alright, print it. Okay, let's double check. Okay, so where it says red, I put it to blue. I switched all the colors. Let's print. Okay. It's going to ask me to press OK again. Alright, let's see. I mean, in theory, this should work, right? If I switch all the colors, it's just more work for me when I do my graphics, but it's a doable fix. Okay, so I guess, yeah, there we go. Printed out red, this printed out blue, and I think that's pink. So I'll just have to use aqua, like light blue for light pink. So here's what it looks like. Yep, after I switched them. Okay, well I guess this is a temporary solution for now. But oh my god, so dumb. So dumb. Okay, so here is a look at the first thing I sublimated. And you know what? I didn't even notice, but this monster, it's supposed to be blue with a pink tongue. And it's pink with a blue tongue. So yeah, I mean it's still cute. Like if you didn't see the original design, you wouldn't know. And this, yeah, same thing. It's reversed. So this was a blue rocket with a pink window, and it is reversed. Everything else looks okay. I think. I don't remember what that alien was supposed to be, but yeah, I mean it's still cute, which is why I didn't notice. I was just so excited trying out sublimation that the colors came out so vivid that I didn't even care. I didn't really look too closely. But yeah, so this is the first thing I ever sublimated, and another mistake that I made, you know, there's a learning curve. I'm new to this. But yeah, was that I forgot to press. I missed this one section right here on the very edge. But I guess I didn't put my Cricut press there enough, or I didn't put even pressure, because for some reason this line didn't transfer. But other than that, this was like a really good result, and I love this tank top. And yeah, oh well, so there we go. I got a pink rocket, pink monster. But yep, that's what it looks like if you mix up your colors. So yeah, don't do what I did. Alright, I'm gonna figure out how to fix this. like I said, any ideas, please let me know in the comment box down below. I don't want to think that I ruined my new Sublimation printer and all my future prints by this one crucial mistake. So yeah, when you're doing your inks, take your time, don't rush. And if you're colorblind, maybe have someone double check before you pour them in your tanks, because now I think it's permanently like this. But yeah, I don't know. Like I said, any ideas on how to fix this without wasting all my ink, let me know. And yeah, or I might just have to wait till I use up all my ink, and then when I'm about to refill. I don't think that works though, because they don't run out at the same time. Anyways, leave a comment down below, thumbs up this video because I'm stupid, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.